Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted videos, stories, and data on your Snapchat account. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have my phone here. I'm going to be logging into my Snapchat account. I have to open my Snapchat app. After opening it, I have to access my profile at the top left here. After clicking on my profile, you can see I have the setting option here at the top right. I have to click there. After clicking on it, you can see they are showing me all details of my account, including the email, phone number if there is, and other associated information about me. What I have to do, I have to scroll down and access my data. As you can see, I have my data section at the bottom of my settings. Let me click on it. After clicking on my data, I'm going to see different details. Pay attention here and see what I want to be doing. Remember, you need to be having an email that they will send you your data so that you can be downloading it. Here they are saying data available for download. Your account, your data export a copy of the content in your Snapchat account to backup it. So you can see here we're going to be selecting which kind of data. Here they are saying, do you want to include your memories, chat, media, and shared stories? I have to tick it if I want it. They are saying package size, break down larger data package into smaller files. They are saying it's equal to GB. So do you want to export into files into HTML files? This is the recommended one. Export into JSON files. User information, Snapchat login data, chat history, Spotlight, shopping. So you need to select your preferred here. After this, I have to select next. After clicking next, you can see I have to confirm the email address they have to send me my data. Here, I'm using the email which is registered on my Snapchat. You can be able to choose to add a new email, but you need to add the email that you'll be accessing because this is where they are going to be sending you your data to download them. I have to choose also the time range. Maybe I want the data for last year. I want the data for all the time. I have to click on it. After that, I have to submit. Once I click submit, you can see they are saying security restriction. Please try again from this device after 72 hours. As you see, they are showing me that the export in progress, which means I have to wait on email. Once data is completed or is ready to be exported, they will send me an email for my data. I can go through that email and download my data. Also, I can find my photos, my videos, my stories that I have posted on Snapchat, and other information. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to like this video, subscribe to this channel NoMax TV. Turn notification bell so as you always get notified when you upload a video here at NoMax TV.